The future is not a distant dream. It is being created right now, at a pace faster than we can comprehend. Every tick of the clock brings us closer to breakthroughs that are set to redefine our lives and the world around us. Startups and established companies alike are at the helm of this acceleration, tirelessly working towards a future that once existed only in the realms of science fiction. Their relentless pursuit of innovation is not just reshaping industries, but also enriching the human experience in unimaginable ways. Stay tuned as we delve into the 9 most anticipated innovations that are set to reshape our world. First on our list is the formidable artificial intelligence. Often abbreviated as AI, it's a technological marvel that's reshaping the world around us. It's the driving force behind many advancements, from improving healthcare diagnoses to enhancing transportation with autonomous vehicles. Imagine an AI capable of outsmarting the toughest diseases, or an AI that can predict and prevent traffic congestion. The possibilities are endless. As we dive further into the future, AI's potential continues to unfold. AI is poised to redefine our understanding of intelligence and its applications. Next up, the revolution on our roads: self-driving cars. Imagine a world where your car knows the way to your destination better than you do. A world where traffic jams and road accidents are things of the past. This is the promise of self-driving cars. With their advanced sensors and artificial intelligence, these vehicles aim to turn our commutes into safe, efficient journeys. Industries from car manufacturing to ride-sharing are anticipating a massive shift. The era of autonomous vehicles is just around the corner. Now let's shoot for the stars with space exploration. The cosmos, a vast expanse of mysteries, is no longer a far-off dream. Thanks to the strides we've made in technology, space exploration is not just for government agencies anymore. Private companies are now playing a crucial role, pushing boundaries and making space more accessible. They are fueling a new era of discovery, from reusable rockets to plans for manned missions to Mars. The final frontier is closer than it ever was. Next, we dive into the digital realm with virtual and augmented reality. These technologies are far from mere gaming tools. They're transforming industries across the board. Imagine walking through your dream home before it's even built, or watching a heart surgery in real time from miles away. The future of VR and AR is boundless, with potential advancements promising even more immersive and interactive experiences. These technologies are set to blur the lines between reality and the digital world. Moving on, we illuminate the future with renewable energy. This remarkable innovation is not just about saving the planet, it's about reshaping our economies too. Recent advancements in solar, wind, and hydro technologies are bringing us closer to an era where fossil fuels become a thing of the past. Imagine cities powered entirely by the sun and wind. Picture industries that run on nature's bounty, not its depletion. This isn't just a dream, it's a reality being built today. A greener, cleaner future is within our reach. Next, we tackle a global challenge with desalination. Imagine transforming the vast oceans into a drinkable water source. That's desalination for you, a process that removes salts and other impurities from seawater, making it safe for human consumption. Recent advancements have made this process more efficient and less energy-consuming. Picture a future where water scarcity is a thing of the past, where every coastal city has its own desalination plant, providing fresh water to its inhabitants. A wellspring of hope, desalination could quench the world's thirst. Now, we connect the dots with internet connectivity. As we journey through the digital age, internet connectivity has become the lifeblood of innovation, bridging geographical divides and bringing us closer than ever before. It's not just about faster browsing or streaming, it's about enabling remote education, telemedicine, and countless other opportunities. And as we look forward, we see a future of even greater connectivity. With advancements like low Earth orbit satellites, we're moving towards a world where every corner of the globe is connected. The future is connected, and it's more inclusive than ever. Next, we unlock the secrets of life with consumer genetics. Imagine a world where your genetic blueprint is as accessible as your online profile, a world where personalized healthcare is the norm, not the exception. Consumer genetics harbors the potential to revolutionize healthcare, pushing us towards a future where disease prevention is based on our unique genetic makeup. The day may not be far when we can anticipate health risks and address them even before they manifest. With consumer genetics, the keys to our health are in our hands. Finally, we bring hope with advancements in cancer treatment. This is a landscape where innovation is not just celebrated, but life-saving. Recent breakthroughs have ushered in targeted therapies, immunotherapies, and the promise of precision medicine. These advancements are not just about extending survival rates but also improving the quality of life for patients. The potential of these therapies is staggering, and the future holds even more promise. With ongoing research, we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible. In the fight against cancer, every innovation brings us a step closer to victory. The future is not just about new gadgets and technologies. It's about the positive impact these innovations can have on our lives. We've explored a world reshaped by artificial intelligence, self-driving cars, and space exploration. We've envisioned a reality enhanced by virtual and augmented tools, powered by renewable energy, and connected like never before. We've glimpsed possibilities in consumer genetics and pioneering cancer treatments. All these innovations remind us that the future is not just something that happens, it's something we create. If you're intrigued by the future and want to stay updated with the latest innovations, subscribe for more videos. Together, we can journey into tomorrow.